had informed, or we have informed the Canadian government that there should be parity of strength and rank equivalence in our diplomatic presence, or mutual diplomatic presence. We think that the numbers are much higher, and those details are being worked out, and we think that hence the number there will be reduction. So yes, I presume this is pursuant to our conversation or request.
We're going through an extremely challenging time with India right now, but that's why it's so important for us to have diplomats on the ground working with the Indian government there to support Canadians and Canadian families. We're taking this extremely seriously, but we're going to continue to engage responsibly and constructively with the government of India.
Will we retaliate, and can you confirm that they have asked us to take out 40 diplomats?
We're not looking to escalate, as I've said. We are going to be doing the work that matters in continuing to have constructive relations with India through this extremely difficult time.
So, in moments of tensions, because indeed there are tensions between both our government, more than ever it's important that diplomats be on the ground. And that's why we believe in the importance of having a strong diplomatic footprint in India. That being said, we are in ongoing conversations with the Indian government, and we will continue to protect them.